Valentine's Day, the season of celebrating love. Promises, dates, thrills, and for those who are yet to find love, swiping. Dating platforms experience up to a 30% higher usage during Valentine's week. After all, everyone is looking to give their heart away to someone. Nah. Cute. It's a match. But wait a second. What if the perfect match didn't just bring you love? What if it could actually save your life? That's when we noticed this. The finger heart, the world's newest way of showing love, support, affection. It was everywhere on dating apps.
So this little gesture that probably surfaced from Korean pop culture has become a global trend today. While most people saw it as a sweet trend, we looked at it from a slightly different lens. What if this innocent gesture could actually be a clue to something far more serious than simply finding love? So we tried something no healthcare company has ever dared to do before, and we entered the dating pool too.
On dating apps, we created dating profiles for our cardiologists who seamlessly blended among millions looking for love. Only these cardiologists were looking for something deeper. Finger clubbing. A subtle but critical early indicator of heart disease. We scanned thousands of profiles looking for finger heart photos. Then, using AI, our profile scanned these images for signs of finger clubbing, analyzing nail curvature, fingertip thickness, and cuticle texture. We generated a risk score and sent the image back to the user with a message.
If the risk score was higher, we went a step further, sharing a direct link to book a heart consultation with Wokhard Hospital.
And just like that, thousands of dating profiles across India were quietly screened for something more important than compatibility: heart disease risk. But we didn't stop at dating apps. We traveled across social media, into comments, stories, statuses, Bollywood fandoms, and even K-pop communities. Until the whole internet started asking, is it just love? Or is it something more? Well, we didn't find love on Bumble this Valentine's, but we did find peace knowing thousands of hearts are safer today. Because at Wokhart Hospitals, love means more.